This is a short video of the Isuzu 4B1 engine as fitted to a series Land Rover. It's a very good setup, and it's only being sold because the firewall's been quite badly bent in an accident. We'll just go around and start the engine up now and we'll see how she goes. It's going to be a little bit noisy because with the firewall stuffed effectively, the vehicle's just about falling to pieces, so there's a few rattles, but the engine's good as gold. There's no need to glow this engine unless you're in extremely cold conditions. Starts first pop. It's cold at the moment. There's also a bit of a hole in the exhaust at the moment, so that'll be making it louder as well. The slight squeaking you might be able to hear right now comes from the alternator belt. One thing that's going to need addressing on this engine is that the alternator bottom bracket has broken, so that will just need tapping out. Gearbox is a 5-speed unit out of a Nissan Safari with an adapter plate to make it fit the Isuzu engine. Package will also include the front and rear drive shafts, which are adapted from Nissan down to Land Rover. Currently it's running on 4.7 ratio diffs. As you can see, first is quite low running these diffs, so it should also go straight to 3.54 diffs without too much trouble there either. Should give you a nice cruising speed. Just try and zoom in on the alternator a bit there. You can see it's not quite perfectly mounted with the belt. That's because of that bottom bracket that I mentioned before. The accident broke the radiator hose, so don't let the water put you off. That's just been caused by the top hose. So there you have it.